Hi guys, I want to show you how to prepare my favorite vegetarian dish, Dum Aloo. Dum Aloo is an Indian potato curry cooked with various spices with a wonderful flavor. It is not a very hot curry, but with a complex flavor due to the interplay of the spices. It is best to serve with various types of rotis and is also good to serve along with jeera rice or biryani rice. Let's take a look at how to prepare Dum Aloo. Let's start with boiling and frying the potatoes. It's most suitable to use small or baby potatoes weighing about 50 grams or 2 ounces to prepare Dum Aloo because it takes a shorter time to cook and it absorbs more flavor from the gravy. Boil the potatoes until they are slightly soft and the skin can be peeled easily. The duration varies depends on the heat and the size of the potatoes. And for your reference, I boil them for about 10 minutes over medium heat, uncovered. Once it's soft enough, remove the potatoes and cool by soaking in cold water, then peel off the skin by hand. Poke the potatoes with toothpicks or fork all over to make multiple tiny holes. The goal is to let the spices flavor quickly infuse while cooking with the gravy later. Now you have the option to deep fry, pan fry or cook the potatoes straight away. I choose to pan fry the potatoes because it is more practical to do it at home, since it requires less oil and it is healthier. The downside is uneven browning, but the difference in the final result is insignificant. Once the potatoes turns golden, remove and set aside. Next, let's toast and ground the whole spices. Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cardamom, clove, and cinnamon bark. Gently toast the spices by moving them regularly in the pan. When you smell the aroma rising from the pan, remove and let it cool. Then, place the spices in a grinder, ground them finely. Since the flavor of Dum Aloo depends heavily on the spices, I ground most of the essential spices myself. We have deep fried the potatoes, we have ground the spices. Now we make the onion paste. Coarsely chop some onion. And also coarsely chop some tomatoes. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute over low heat until fragrant. I use mustard oil in this recipe, but you can substitute it with other vegetable oil if you like. Next, add some coarsely chopped onion. Saute it for a few minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Now add the cashews and the chopped tomatoes. Continue to stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the mixture to the blender and process it until it becomes a smooth paste. You may add some water if the mix is too dry to blend. Now it comes to the last step, that is to cook the potatoes. Add some cumin seeds into the oil in a pan. When the cumin seeds to start to crackle, add the bay leaves, the hing, Kashmiri chili powder, Once they turn aromatic, mix them with the onion paste. And the freshly ground spices. Add the yogurt and wait until it turns to a boil again. While it is boiling, season with black pepper, some salt, and improve the color with some turmeric powder and more Kashmiri chili powder. Then cook for a short while until the oil separates. Return the potatoes to the pan. Add some water if it is too thick. Cover the pan with a tightly fitted lid. Open the lid once or twice to turn the potatoes to ensure they are evenly cooked. It will take roughly 15 minutes to cook them until soft. Some garam masala. Add some sugar to counterbalance the sourness from the yogurt. Lastly, stir in some kasuri methi. And some chopped coriander leaves to the gravy. That's it, the dum aloo is done and is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this dum aloo recipe. If you want to download or copy the recipe, I have included the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in some other similar video very soon in the future, and bye for now.